Will India declare war? How many times have India and Pakistan fought full-scale wars? And is history going to repeat itself? Hi, you're watching the Free Press Journal and I am Sneha Biswas. After Pakistan's recent attempts to target Indian military bases using drones and missiles, and India's strong retaliatory strikes on Pakistani cities like Islamabad, Lahore and Sialkot, a pressing question has taken center stage. Has India declared war? Will it? The short answer is no, not yet. India doesn't formally declare war because there is no official constitutional framework that requires it. We will get back to the constitution part, but let's take a look at past wars first. 1947 to 48, the first Kashmir War. Conflict began when tribal militias backed by Pakistan invaded Kashmir. Following the instrument of accession, Indian forces entered to defend the princely state. No formal declaration of war was made by either country. The war ended with a UN-mediated ceasefire and the creation of the line of control. 1965 War, Operation Gibraltar and Grand Slam. Pakistan initiated covert operations in Kashmir under Operation Gibraltar, followed by a full assault, Operation Grand Slam. India crossed the international border in retaliation, targeting Lahore and Sialkot. No formal war declaration occurred. The conflict ended after UN intervention and the Tashkent Agreement brokered by the Soviet Union. 1971 War, Bangladesh Liberation. Triggered by the humanitarian crisis in East Pakistan and the influx of millions of refugees into India, Pakistan launched preemptive airstrikes on Indian air bases on December 3, 1971. India responded with full-scale military action. Despite the scale and outcome creation of Bangladesh, India never officially declared a war. The war ended in just 13 days, with Pakistan signing the instrument of surrender. 1999, the Kargil conflict, initiated by the infiltration of Pakistani soldiers and militants into Indian positions along the Kargil sector in Ladakh. India launched Operation Vijay to reclaim its territory. The conflict was localized and limited, and again, no formal declaration of war was made. The international community, especially the US, pressured Pakistan to withdraw. The Indian Constitution does not contain a dedicated provision or procedure to declare war, as seen in some other countries' legal systems. Instead, Article 352, which deals with the proclamation of national emergency, is the closest mechanism available. A national emergency can be declared in case of war, external aggression, armed rebellion. But even this does not constitute a formal declaration of war. It's more of a functional emergency status for governance and military coordination. And it must be declared by the President of India, acting on the advice of the Union Cabinet led by the Prime Minister. We are signing off for now. Hit like, share this video and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Until next time, stay safe.